Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Logitech G-HUB and connecting the G Pro X Superlight 2 via USB so updates apply reliably. Once done, make sure firmware is current because firmware mismatches block profile changes. Open the correct device profile in G-HUB, then find the DPI or sensitivity presets panel on screen. You do this now. Don't hunt through menus. Setting presets here writes directly to either software profiles or onboard memory, so you can switch quickly later. Now you configure the DPI steps. Pick 2 to 5 values that suit tasks, for example 400, 800, 1600, 3200, because consistent increments help muscle memory. Next, map those DPI steps to the mouse buttons or the sensitivity toggle. This makes switching instant. Test pointer movement in a desktop area or a game practice range, and adjust until tracking feels linear. Finally, save changes to the active profile, and, if you want portability, write the profile to the mouse. Finish by testing your new DPI settings in real use, work, practice, or a game, so you evaluate aim, speed, and consistency. If something feels off, tweak using smaller 1/4 or 0. 5 adjustments until motion is predictable. If G-HUB won't apply changes, restart the app, reconnect the mouse, and reflash firmware. That fixes most write failures. Make sure you keep one default profile stored on board as a fallback, because it saves time if profiles become corrupted or get overwritten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.